Let's continue on with numeration systems. This time we're going to look at Mayan numerals. These have an interesting design here, and it's unique in its vertical place value system. So the location of the symbols, give you a place value. And so what we have here is each symbol has some meaning. And on this case here, the little dots represent 1, the lines represent 5. So you want to make a note of that. A dot is 1, a line is 5, and then this little I or 0 symbol, right, represents 0. And so you can see here that we have a Mayan numeral here. And so each of these locations, you can see there are 4 levels, and each of those levels has some place value similar to our place value system here. So I see 3 dots here, and that's in the 1's place value. There's 0 here, and that's in the 20s. And then it's interesting is the next place value is 360, or 18 times 20. And then the next place value is 7,200. And so for a problem like this here, what we're looking at to convert this, what value are these here, right? That would be what you want to be looking at. The way we convert that would be, I say I have 3 dots in the 1's position. I have 0 dots in the 20 position. So it's an additive system also. I have 5, 6 dots in the 360 place value. And then I have 1 dot in the 7,200. And so what happens is you're just going to add this up. It's a multiplicative and additive system. 360 plus 6, we need to get that value. That's 1,800 and 2160. And then 70, so you have 3 plus 2160 plus 7,200. And so with that, you would add that together and you get your total, which would be 9363, which is again what we have here. So you can read this kind of further description and get an idea. And again, here is the symbols for those first 24 values there, the numerals that we use to represent that. And so continuing on looking at these examples here, the first 2 are done for you. You have your note sheets, you can look at that. You can see how I expanded that out. And then I just wanted to do this third one with you here, and that what values are here. So you have 3 levels. And so the way the book shows you is it breaks down the 3 levels. I like to use boxes, but in this case, this is 5, 10. This is 13 times 1 plus 0 times 20, and that's a 5. So that's 5 times 360. And so this number here, these symbols here, right, represents 13 plus 0 plus, that's 1,500, and that's 1,800. So it's 1,813 is represented by that symbol because of its place value and the additive, multiplicative aspects of the system. And I'll leave those examples for you. You can see. And this table at the end shows you the different number systems and their characteristics. And notice the Mayan numeral system is additive. It's not subtractive. There's no subtracting. It's multiplicative, it's positional, it has place value, and it does have a 0. Notice the other systems don't have a symbol for 0.